Hey, sometimes math is all about that term, jargon, or nomenclature, all these arcane terms you'll probably never use again. But some teachers do focus on it. So I just want to give you some examples. If I have a vertical subtraction problem, 10 minus 3 is 7, the top number is called the minuend. That's minuend. And then the bottom number is called the subtrahend. So remember, the top minuend, bottom subtrahend. The answer is the difference. Now, here's the only term you really need to remember is the difference. The difference is the answer of a subtraction problem. I'll just repeat that. The difference is the answer of a subtraction problem. Now, I want to talk about different ways this same math problem could be rendered. You could do 10 minus 3 equals 7, or you could do, I call this the horizontal subtraction. I tend to like the vertical method, 10 minus 3 is 7. You can convert from horizontal subtraction to vertical subtraction. You want to use whichever one helps you more. You can manipulate these math problems to your liking. Remember that.